stop paying for AI video generators. Right now, there is a website giving you Seedance 2.0, Grok 1.5, and Omni video generation completely free, and it makes video up to 15 seconds long. Most content creators don't know this exists yet. By the time you watch this video to the end, you'll be able to generate your own AI videos absolutely free. I know what it's like watching other creators post insane AI videos and thinking that to probably cost money. I don't have. It doesn't. I almost scrolled past this myself. If you've been holding back from making AI content because of subscription costs, this changes everything. Stay with me till the end. I'm going to show you exactly where to go and exactly how to use it. I am not going to just tell you the name and let you figure it out. I am walking you through the whole thing step by step on my screen right now, so don't waste your time or credit doing it the wrong way. Let's go straight into the tutorial. Let's go. The magic takes place on this amazing interface. Like I always do, I don't get skip. I bring you guys the very best out of AI tools right here. I carry out my research and give you the best free AI tool. Right from the left side, you see new space, my spaces, and all that. Okay, and on the middle part, you see describe your video or type at add a character. Okay, on the plus sign here, you will have the option to add up your reference image or video you want to work with. And the amazing part is this platform gives you access to amazing free AI tools out there that people are paying dollars to get. All right, so right here, you click here, you see you have a whole lot. You have real motion 3.0. You have a whole lot right here. Interesting part is it will give you Grok video 1.5, which is amazing. It's new on this platform and you're gonna access it for absolutely free. Okay, Veo 3.1, Grok video Seedance 2.0, Seedance 2.0 mini, Seedance 2.0 fast, Seedance 2.5 coming soon. Okay, you can achieve a whole lot from this platform, and the sweetest part is this platform gives you the avenue to get up to 15 seconds free video generating platform. Okay, so and over here you see that you have standard and reference, so anyone you believe you want to work with, it's okay. And right here you see you have the 15 seconds video, which a lot of platform gives you 6 seconds and 8 seconds, but this amazing platform I just discovered gives you 15 seconds amazing videos. Okay, so let's see. If you head over to Grok, let's see how many seconds Grok can give you. All right, so let's go to Grok. Okay, let's say Seedance gave us 15 seconds. Mini gave, okay, let's see how many seconds Mini can give us. Seedance Mini can give us 15 seconds as well. Wow, that's awesome. Let's check out another platform model. Grok 1.5 will give us how many seconds? 10 seconds. Okay, so this will help you decide the one you want to work with. This is absolutely amazing, and you know how we do it. We'll test run it and find out what works well for us, and we'll try multiple videos, prompts, and decide the one we want. So let's try Seedance 2.0, which is amazing. Right now I already have my prompt from my prompt bank. Always come up with your own prompt. Okay, don't copy anybody's prompt. I will leave it at 15 seconds. Okay, and see the amazing job. That's keyframe mode. So on this keyframe mode, do we need keyframe? No, we don't need keyframe. So let's go straight into the generating platform and see what it gives us. I know you'll be asking, what platform is this? Don't worry, keep watching. I will drop the name of the platform before the end of this tutorial. So let's go straight into this and see the amazing result that we are going to generate from this prompt. Okay, stick with me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. My returning subscribers, thank you for supporting what I do. I'm on my journey to 1 million subscribers, so I need you guys massive love and support. Awesome. 15 seconds cinematic video is almost ready. It's generating right now. So let's go straight into it. All right, it's generating. Few seconds, you will have it done. Mind you, there is no payment here. I didn't pay, no credits, nothing. Just open, log into the platform and start generating. Feel free to drop your comments on the comment section telling me the next AI tutorial you want me to carry out on the comment section. Okay, respond to that immediately at the comment section. Share this video so other people can join the community and start creating amazing videos. So let's go straight and see our video. Okay, start generating after 130 seconds. It will give us what we want immediately without wasting time. You can generate image on this platform, voice, anything you want to generate, director console, storyboard, real dance, lead gen 3.1. This is awesome. Let's see our 15 seconds video, mind-blowing video right on this tutorial. I have amazing free AI tools that I've worked on already, so always click on the bell notification to get notified on my next amazing post. Don't miss anything on this platform. Okay, I've done video on how you can clone your voice. Check it out on my videos, how text to speech, on how you can clone your voice, and you can clone up to 3 amazing different voices which can play amazing role on dialogue scripts. Yes, one of the reasons why YouTube demonetize a lot of channel is because most of them use robotic AI voiceovers all over social media. No, you need to stand out from the crowd, clone your own voice, and have amazing video that people will love, that sounds human like, and of course it's your voice. No one has your voice. Your voice is unique and you can monetize your channel using your own voice. All right, so click on the comment section, ask the name of this AI platform, and I'll be dropping the name for you on the comment section. Okay, don't get it twisted. Make sure you ask the question on the comment section. I'll be dropping the name on the comment section. Okay, so let's wait for our video to be ready. You can do a whole lot from this amazing platform. It is new. A lot of people are yet to discover this platform. You are okay on a priority generating. You see, I am on priority generation queue already, so just relax and have this done. This will come up immediately and you will enjoy the amazing results. Okay, so subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way, so you'll be the first person to get notified and start making amazing video for yourself, which you can of course monetize. Don't forget to join my community where I teach people free AI tools, all right, without collecting a dime from them. So let's watch this and see how it plays. This is awesome, guys.
Freaks, stop the Freaks, stop the
This is complete. 15 seconds as promised. This is 15 seconds as promised. So guys, what are you waiting for? Start using this platform immediately and have fun while you do so. You can as well try other platform, other model, and see the difference. Okay, the first one we did was Seedance 2.0, so you can as well use the next platform and see. Grok gives you 10 seconds generating app. Okay, so guys, see you guys on my next video. Make sure you subscribe and ask the name of the platform on the comment section. See you on my next video. You can click on this part here to get your video download. Okay, click on this icon, have your video download, and you play it from the download. Right here gives you full screen.
Stop the. Freeze! Stop the.
You see, the look, the lip sync, everything is super realistic. You can even say this is not AI, but this is fully AI. So guys, see you on my next video. Drop the question on the comment section asking the name of the AI tool, and I'll be dropping it there. The name of the AI tool is DGen AI. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video.